Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to enable GIFs on Microsoft Teams. You might be wondering why enabling GIFs on Microsoft Teams could be beneficial. Well, imagine you're in the middle of a long workday, and you want to add a splash of creativity and fun to your conversations with colleagues. Sharing a GIF can make your chats more lively and engaging, and help convey emotions or reactions in a way that plain text just can't. Whether you're aiming to make your chats more dynamic, or you simply enjoy the humor and expressiveness that GIFs bring, this guide is designed for you. We'll walk through the simple steps to enable and share GIFs, helping you to enhance your team's experience. Alright, let's dive into the tutorial on how to enable GIFs in Microsoft Teams. We'll begin by accessing Microsoft Teams itself. Start by opening up your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, head over to the Microsoft Teams website. You'll find a sign-in button, usually prominent on the homepage. Go ahead and click on that button. Next, it's time to enter your account credentials. Use your email and password to log in. If you're using a work account, make sure you have the correct login details at your fingertips. Successfully logging in will transport you to the main dashboard of Microsoft Teams. This is where all your activities and interactions happen. Now that we're inside Teams, let's locate the chat feature. On the left sidebar, you'll notice various icons, one of which is labeled Chat. Click on this icon. Doing so will open up all your ongoing conversations and group chats. Consider this your central hub for one-on-one and group messaging. It's the place where you can have private communications with your colleagues or friends. With access to the chat section established, the next step is to select a specific conversation you want to enhance with a GIF. Simply click on the chat you wish to use. This could be an individual chat or a group discussion, depending on your preference for sharing the GIF. In the chat window, you'll notice an emoji icon. This icon is usually located at the bottom, close to where you type your messages. This little icon is your ticket to a world of expressions, including emojis, stickers, and of course, GIFs. Clicking on the emoji icon will open a new panel featuring different tabs. Navigate to the tab labeled GIFs. Once in the GIF tab, you'll be greeted with a wide array of GIFs to choose from. You can browse through trending GIFs or use the search bar to find something specific to express exactly what you're feeling. Whether you're looking for a funny GIF, a celebratory one, or perhaps just a cute animal doing something adorable, you're bound to find a GIF that matches the mood perfectly. After you've found the ideal GIF, click on it. This action selects the GIF for your message. But before you can share it, you need to send it. Look for the send button. It's usually represented by a paper plane icon or something similar, located right next to the message area where your selected GIF is now displayed. Click on it, and your GIF will be sent, adding a touch of life and laughter to your conversation. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a GIF in Microsoft Teams, making your chat more engaging and enjoyable. Remember, using GIFs can greatly enhance your conversations, making them more dynamic and visually interesting. So go ahead, explore the variety of GIFs available, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to enable GIFs on Microsoft Teams, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.